Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Spanish Town and we're giving you an update on the construction of the new tower for the Spanish Town Hospital. They actually call it the redevelopment of the Spanish Town Hospital. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. The redeveloped Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine, which is currently under construction, will provide a range of diagnostic services, enhancing patient care and outcomes. Upon completion, the new six-story building will house a range of modern clinical and diagnostic services, including an accident and emergency wing, radiology, outpatient services, operating theaters, specialty wards, integrated electronic health records system, and e-care that is being piloted under the Health System Strengthening Program. Health and Wellness Minister Dr. the Honorable Christopher Tufton toured the site recently said the redevelopment is progressing well. When this is complete, we will have diagnostics as a major advantage. The project lead has told me that the procurement arrangements to secure those have begun. That to me is very transformational because it means that some of the outsourcing of tests which would be done normally will be reduced and we will depend on what we have, he noted. The upgrade will transform the 70-year-old Spanish Town Hospital into a Type A regional hospital. Phase 2 of the foundation works of the redevelopment, which is being done under the HSSP, was recently concluded. Work is now advancing for construction of the ground and first floors, which are expected to be completed by the beginning of the new year. The redevelopment is valued at approximately $5.5 billion and is being funded through the HSSP via allocations from the government of Jamaica, with oversight and support from the Inter-American Development Bank. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So as you can see, the foundation has gone in and they're working on the ground and first floors now. We'll keep you guys updated on this development. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.